Hello guys. Naniwala ako na sabi po nila guys, maganda daw ang boses yung mostly yung taga Visayas guys. Pero depende po guys kasi ako Bisaya din po ako bakit pangit ang boses ko. Kaya itong kababayan ko guys na galing ng Cebu, si Roland Bunot Amanti guys, ay siya po yung nagjo-join sa American Got Talent guys. Kaya siya po ay nakapasok sa semifinals. Si Michael Bolton guys na yung original na kumanta ng ganun guys. Kaya napakaganda talaga ang boses niya guys. Kaya lagi ko pong pinapakinggan. Kaya ang dami pong mga vlogger guys na mga yung sa video reactions kasi ang ganda talaga yung boses guys. So ngayon pakinggan natin guys.
Wish 1075.
You know our love's meant to be the kind of love that lasts forever. And I want you here with me from tonight until the end of time.
Ang boses niya guys.
You should know.
Napakaganda talaga ang boses niya guys. Yung lagi ko po siyang inulit-ulit na pakinggan. Kasi isang Bisaya rin po ako guys from Dumaguete. From Cebu to Dumaguete, 6 hours travel. Kaya I am proud of you, Roland Bunot Abanti, na napakaganda mo. Na yung boses mo talagang very professional voice. Kaya lagi po kitang pinapakinggan. Dahil masipag ka, you are very humble, na hindi ka mayabang, kaya yun, pinagpapala ka ng Diyos. Kasi kung ano lang yung hanap buhay mo noon, yung nangingisda, mamasada ng habal-habal. Kaya wish mo yan na maka-join ka sa American Got Talent or AGT.
Everywhere I go, always on my mind, in my heart, in my soul, baby, you're the meaning in my life, you're the inspiration, you bring feeling to my life, you're the inspiration, whatever near me, or whatever you hear me say, yeah. No one needs a man like you.
Guys, alam mo, yung 107 FM sa Manila radio station po yan guys. So, yung nanalo na siya guys na from AGT, ini-invite po siya ng 107 FM station sa Manila guys. Kaya, napakaganda talaga kasi yung boses niya guys. Kaya, a lot of people miss her voice. His voice, sorry.
And I know, yes I know that it's been the same. So long we're together. Now I know that I need you here with me. From tonight until the end of time.
Alam mo guys, yung unang tingin ko sa video niya, yung pinapanood ko guys, talagang tumulo talaga yung luha ko guys kasi imagine po guys, siya po ay isang mangingisda na mahirap lang po din guys na tulad ko, pero hindi akalain guys ay nakatuntong siya ng AGT guys. Kaya napakaganda talaga yung boses niya guys na lagi ko pong inulit-ulit.
You should know, everywhere I go, always on my mind, you're in my heart, in my soul, you're the meaning in my life, you're
Alam mo guys, I really love it, the way he moves, he, keeps smile. bagay talaga sa kanya guys. At hindi lang yun guys. Siya po yun guys ay hindi po siya nag-aaral ng voice lessons guys. Sa lahat ng mga singer ay nagtitrain po sila guys ng voice lessons. Pero ito si Roland Bunot Abante ay hindi po siya nag-aaral ng voice lessons guys. Talagang galing po sa kanyang sa sarili niyang boses guys na original talaga guys. Walang nagtuturo sa kanya.
Inspiration, you bring feeling to my life. Your inspiration, whatever near me, or whatever near me, say it. No one needs a man, no one needs a body.
Wish Cruiser on Wish 1075.
Whatever near me.
Napakaganda talaga yung boses niya guys. Lagi ko pong inulit-ulit kasi talagang it sounds like original talaga guys na walang labis, walang kulang. Kaya Sir Bunot Abante, ako po ay si Regina Domen Carbero na taga Dumaguete po na isa ring Bisaya na tulad mo. I am very proud of you once again. Kaya pagpalain ka lalo ng Panginoon dahil you're very humble man. That's why binigyan ka ni Lord ng sigsigliglig at umaapaw. Okay?
Whatever you hear me say, no one needs you more tonight. No one needs you more. You're the meaning of my life. You're the inspiration. You bring feeling to my life. You're the inspiration. When you love somebody till the end of time. When you love somebody, I'm still my mind.
So guys, that's it for now. So thank you for watching, and you guys, if you support my channel, and I will support also your channel. Alright, so may God bless you all the time. Amen.